Guys, Umbrella Ceiling is here again. Look at this amazing design, totally different, a unique space here in Aston Martin. We are just today finalizing this beautiful project, and as you can see, we have a very interesting lighting layout. It's, you know, kind of LED strips, also hi-hats. You can see here recessive lighting that are gonna be installed here, and then this is a floating solution with scope lighting. All this, you know, the wrinkles are going to disappear soon. We are just applying heat in this moment. So in a couple of minutes you will see how beautiful and amazing this design is gonna look. Follow up until the end.